These nuts roasting on an open fire. What's good, everybody? I know it's been a very long time since y'all seen me film a video. The last couple of months have been a lot for me, emotionally, spiritually, physically, mentally. 2020 has just been a lot on everybody, but I am here to tell you guys that I'm back. But I'm here to tell you guys that your favorite intro queen is back, and we're just dropping all new content from hair videos. I'm finally doing those long awaited makeup tutorials you guys have been waiting for, as well as a whole bunch of other fun stuff. If you guys follow me on social media, you guys already know that I upgraded my technology. I got an amazing early Christmas gift from my family. So brand new videos, more frequent videos, whole bunch of different things are coming to you guys. And if you guys follow me on Instagram at TonyRoyMUA, you've been seeing that I'm killing these makeup looks. So that's what we're about to get into today. Now, before we get into this makeup tutorial, first of all, listen. Look at the back. Look at the back though. Look at the, yo, son, I'm on my battle rap. You're not gonna tell me nothing. Look at, so they died. Ask me how much this drip costs. Ask me how much this drip costs. $12. I wasn't even tripping when I bought my mom hers. You know why I wasn't tripping? Because it was $12. Listen, $12. Literally on the block. $12. Can't tell me nothing. But yes, we are back with another video. We are going to be doing another holiday glam makeup look. This time we're getting super duper festive with it. We're getting super fly, featuring my one and only, my little baby boo, NYX Cosmetics. I'll be inserting all of the products that I use during this makeup tutorial in the description box below, as well as all of my promo codes so that you guys can get some money off during the holiday season, okay? It's holiday season and we in a pandemic, so I know we really trying to save money this year, so definitely check out all of those codes. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to, make use of my talents and my abilities and share those with you guys. Maybe if you don't feel like subscribing, it's okay. Still like this video though. Help me get through that algorithm. This stuff is not easy to do. The main reason why I haven't made YouTube videos is because it takes a lot of time for me to edit. But now that I have the technology to do so, I'm going to be working overtime to make sure I'm pumping out that content for you guys. And yeah, let's get right into it. My skin is hella freaking dry right now, so I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline New York Master Fix. No lie, this easily became one of my favorite finishing sprays. I used to live and swear by MAC Fix Plus. I still like MAC Fix Plus, but we in the middle of a pandemic and MAC is expensive and I no longer work for the company. So that discount is non-existent. So for my primer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Prime in Hydrate and Smooth. So boom. As you guys can already tell from how I talk, I am from New York, the Bronx in particular. Whoa. I know you see it. I know you see me struggling to open this pencil because my hands is greasy. So I'm just going in with my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil. This is Spike. I left the Bronx to go to college in Connecticut back in 2012. I was at New Haven. Some of my followers I still have from when I first started Instagram. They met me back in my freshman year in college. From 2013 to 2014, I ended up going to beauty school. So I went to Empire. I am 26. My birthday is March 16th. I am a Pisces. I am a Pisces with a Leo rising and a Taurus moon. So drama! I am one of 3 Pisces in my family. My mom is a Pisces. My father is a Pisces. Just drama. We're just drama, bro. My step pops is also a Pisces. Go figure. I'm gonna go in on my favorite concealer. This is the MAC Studio 24 Hour in NC44. And I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows with this. There's a kid upstairs and he keeps banging. So if y'all hear banging, it's not me. It's him. All right, so next I'm gonna base my eyes with Soft Ochre from MAC. I love beauty. I eat, sleep, and breathe beauty. It is my bread and butter. It is my passion. It's my favorite way to express myself. Aside from beauty, as most of you guys already know who have been following my YouTube channel from when I first started, you guys already know that I am a 420 enthusiast. I actually sell pre-packaged smoke bags, so each bag comes with like a dude tube, a torch lighter, Tic Tacs, and hand sanitizer. Shout outs to everybody who supported my Cyber Weekend sale. What the fuck is that? But yeah, shout outs to everybody who supported my Cyber Weekend at shophoodicorn.com. Everybody who purchased smoke bags that week got a free grinder. I am a cat lover. But yes, those are a little bit about my hobbies. I also love to make skits. I am a clown. I just exude a lot of creative energy. I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite palettes. This is the Sweet Sensations palette from NYX Cosmetics. Use my promo code Tony20 at checkout to get some money off. Cash moolah. I don't use the internet often, but when I do, eyebrows. Mix between these two to give myself a nice pop under the brow. Also, I already know you guys are gonna ask where Sasha is. Sasha does not like to be in places where the door is closed. So Sasha is wreaking havoc somewhere in my apartment. I don't know what she's doing right now, most likely sleeping because she's old, but Sasha's around. She'll probably meow at the door eventually. I like that color. I'm gonna take Celebrity and I'm just gonna blend that in my crease. Come on, Funky. Look, you on YouTube. All right. Rude. In 2014, that fall, I transferred to Stony Brook University, where I finished out the rest of my college career and graduated with my bachelor's in business management, specialized in entrepreneurship. So I was destined to be a hustler, I guess. I already mentioned I used to work for MAC. I was at MAC for about 2 years, and I left this past January. It was a mix between getting laid off and me deciding to choose my peace instead of staying with a brand just because of the money. After a while, I got tired of working there, and it's really sad to say because most beauty influencers that have blown up over the last couple of years started at MAC, and we all have the same story. Pretty much, if you're not getting what you need out of a company, do not feel like you have to stay and compromise parts of yourself. Eventually, I am gonna go into details on why I chose to leave ultimately. I might make that one of my videos for like my 2020 reflection, because leaving that job really came with a lot of energy. It came with a lot of growth. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the NYX Cosmetics Kamaya palette, and I'm gonna use the color Rebirth. This is hot. I really like this. Like, NYX Cosmetics stuff is so pigmented. All right, so I came a little bit closer so you guys can see me do this part. We're gonna take our soft ochre and our angle brush, and we're going to carve out our eye. So what I'm gonna do is look down. Looking down into a mirror is really gonna help you. And I'm going to start creating the shape I want. I added a neutral eyeshadow, and then I continue to cut my crease with Money Dust from the Kamaya palette. So we're gonna do the same thing we did here on this eye. For the neutral eyeshadow, I did have to cheat a little bit. I went in with the Morphe James Charles collaboration. I forgot the name of these two, but I'll put it in the comment section. You guys are wondering how I get my shadows to come out pigmented every single time. This is exactly how I do it. I like to pack it on as opposed to rubbing. The NYX glitter primer, and we're just gonna line out that crease. Same thing I did with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna press this on so we don't get glitter all over the place. So we're gonna go in with my Angel, and we're just gonna carefully trace this directly under the glitter. I made one a little bit higher up than the other one, but don't come for me. Don't come for me. Oh yeah, I definitely see it. Shit, IKY aside to that, I definitely see it. I see that lack of symmetry. That's a little bit of pop. I'm gonna go in with the Bold and Sexy liquid liner from Black Radiance. I was torn between these two lashes from Lash Me. Again, all products used is going to be put in the description box below, as well as all of my promo codes so that you guys can get that money off, like I said. Just gonna look down. Go in with the NC45 Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. With that same concealer from earlier, that NC44. And we're just gonna lightly highlight and conceal. I also want to sharpen this edge a little bit better. Get rid of some of that green left over. My Black Radiance Banana Powder, and I'm just gonna set that under eye as well as the chin, top lip, down my nose and forehead, pretty much wherever you put your concealer. Dust everything away with MAC Studio Fix Powder in C6. Yes, C6. As you guys can see, this is my favorite MAC face powder. C6 is my jam. I wear this on top of every foundation I own, from my Fenty, from my Maybelline. This is my go-to face powder. Just gonna buff all of that away. Next, I'm gonna go in with Film Noir. Just gonna pat that on top. Next, I'm gonna go in with MAC bronzing powder in Bronze. Plain blending brush. I'm just gonna take that same bronzer and start contouring the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna add Love Thing blush. Me that little red nose. She gon' shake it like a red nose. Next, we're gonna go back in with, you guessed it, Sis Your Glowing palette. Yes, highlight it. Just the tips. It's the glow for me. So what I did next was line my lips with Sugar Bee Cosmetics Booby Lip Pencil. And I think I'm gonna go in with Act Up. Actually, no. Yeah.